Why do you feel tired and crave junk food all the time? What if your blood sugar is to blame? Today, I'm going to share how balancing your glucose levels can help you burn fat, boost your energy, and even lose weight naturally. But here's the kicker. There's one simple method that could change everything for you. Stick with me and I'll reveal a secret method you don't want to miss. In today's episode, we dive into the truth about glucose levels and their connection to weight loss. You may think losing weight is all about diet and exercise, but there's a hidden factor that most people overlook: glucose levels. But did you know that steadying your glucose can help with fat burning and more? In fact, stabilizing your glucose doesn't just stop cravings, it makes your body burn fat more easily. And that's not all. You'll also see an energy boost, less hunger, and an overall sense of well-being. It might sound too good to be true, but keep watching because I'm going to share a hidden gem to supercharge your results. Let's break it down. Here are 3 big reasons why balancing glucose helps with fat burning and weight loss. Number 1. Cravings drop. When your glucose spikes, it crashes afterward, and that crash makes you crave sugary snacks. But here's the good news. Keeping glucose steady stops those intense cravings, making it easier to resist unhealthy foods. Number 2. Hunger reduces. With steady glucose, your hunger hormones, like ghrelin and leptin, stay balanced. You feel full for longer, reducing your desire to snack all the time. This means no more feeling like a victim to your hunger. Number 3. Fat burning increases. Here's the big one. High insulin from glucose spikes blocks fat burning. But when you lower insulin by balancing glucose, your body switches into fat burning mode. This is the secret to becoming metabolically flexible, the ability to burn both glucose and fat for fuel. These 3 benefits work together to help you lose weight naturally without the need for extreme diets. And it doesn't stop there. In fact, people who keep their glucose levels stable often experience fat loss as a natural byproduct. It's not just about weight loss, it's about feeling energized and confident in your body again. But let's take it one step further. What if you could boost this effect even more? In just a moment, I'll share a special method that will do just that. But first, let's talk about an easy step you can take right now. Here's a simple hack. After you eat, try going for a 10-minute walk. Studies show this can reduce glucose spikes by up to 40%. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in how your body processes food. And that's just the beginning. Little changes like this can go a long way, especially when you combine them with a special solution I'll reveal in just a second. Before I share the next powerful tip, take a moment to subscribe to this channel for more hacks that make healthy living easy. While you're at it, drop a comment below with your biggest struggle when it comes to weight loss. I'd love to hear what you think. As promised, here's the final piece of the puzzle. Something that will take your metabolism to the next level. By clicking the link in the description, you'll unlock a natural supplement that's designed to enhance fat burning, improve your energy levels, and keep you on track toward your goals. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. To recap, stabilizing your glucose levels can help reduce cravings, curb hunger, and increase fat burning. These simple hacks can help you lose weight naturally, without crazy diets or cutting out your favorite foods. And if you're ready to take the next step, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tips that make health easier. And if you're ready for the next level in your weight loss journey, be sure to check out the special coffee supplement I mentioned earlier. It's time to take control of your health and feel amazing again.